A lot of people don't like having too many apps on their home screens. They would prefer to keep their home screens neat and clean. Hey everyone, this is Sherry, and in today's video we will be looking at one of the minimalistic and simplest launcher. But before we start, I would really appreciate if you guys could subscribe to my channel. Also, if you guys are wondering which theme am I using for my phone right now, you can just go into the description and find the link for the Hex installer video. So let's move ahead and open up the Niagara launcher. This is a really minimalistic and clean launcher. Let's start. Okay, so first we have to select the most frequently used apps to show on our home screen. Let me just do that quickly. Alright, so we have our favorite apps on home screen now. Let's check these notifications from launcher. First we have to set it as default. Then enable notifications for Niagara launcher. Next, we can hide unused apps. I will just leave it for now. And you can also open app drawer from left side too. I will show you in a moment. Alright, so we have our initial look for the launcher, and I can access all of my apps from dragging my finger from the right edge of the screen, and we can do it from the left side too. Let's just go all the way down and open Niagara settings. Alright, let's get into the features option. First we have some widgets. Right at the top we have calendar and weather, but we can customize widgets using KWGT app. Okay, well, we have to buy the pro version in order to use the widgets. We are currently using free version, but if you like the launcher you can purchase it in $3.93 per year or for $9.82 for the lifetime. I'll leave it for now. Notifications are already on. Then we have hidden apps. If you want to hide some unused apps to clean your app list, you can just do it from this option. Next we have add shortcuts option, which is simply adding apps from app drawer to the home screen. Quick lock gesture is basically the same gesture where we double tap on the screen to lock it, but it also comes in pro version. Now if you want to go directly from your home screen into the Google search engine, then just enable this option, and then we will have a Google icon on our home screen. Here you can see the Google search button at the bottom. Moving on, next option is swipe up to search. With this enabled, if you want to search some app quickly from your home screen, you just have to swipe up to search apps. Music apps is also a pro feature. And next we have the app integration. With Sesame and KLWP, you can take it to a next level in customization with Niagara launcher. Now if you want me to make a video on both these apps, just mention that in the comments down below and I will make a video on both of these apps. Gesture navigation is disabled for Niagara launcher, but if you have that option in your smartphone, you can still use it with the launcher. And next we have a couple of notes. Let's go back and open up look options. Now I don't have any icon pack installed because I've been using Hex installer, but let's install a free icon pack from Play Store. I think we should go ahead with Minima icon pack. Okay, so let's change the icon pack, and for icon shape I will choose circle. And let me increase the app icon size. Next we have font. We can use font from Niagara, but it's also a paid feature. We can add our own font or we can use the fonts from the system. I will go with the default for now. Next we have wallpapers. So Niagara launcher gives a collection of wallpapers with it. Let's just select one. And I want to use it only on home screen. Let me just download it. Okay, next we have hide status bar option, which is also a pro feature. Hide alphabet will hide the alphabets list on the right side of the home screen. It looks pretty clean without that list, but if you drag finger on the edge of the screen then it will appear, otherwise it will stay hidden on the home screen. Moving on, next we have hide names of favorites, which will basically hide names in front of the apps, and we will only have the app icons on the home screen. As you can see, we only have the app icons here, and what else I can do is that I can increase the size of the icons, and now this one looks pretty good. Moving on for theme, I love using dark mode, so I will leave it at use device theme. And for text color, make sure that it is based on wallpaper. And I think we are done with look, and let's go back. And yeah, that's it. We have minimal settings for a minimalistic launcher, which is pretty cool because we don't have to explore a ton of options like we have to do in Microsoft Launcher or Nova Launcher. One last thing that I want to do is to change the wallpaper. So I'm using Prism app for the wallpapers right now. Let's just open the app. You can explore to find the best one for yourself. I want to use illustrations. Let me find and let's see which one would look better. And there you go, we have a really nice looking wallpaper, although I would recommend changing the icon pack. Other than that, this looks pretty good. So at the end, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.